Hello, dear students. My name is Shaina Gupta, and today the topic that we are going to discuss is kinds of partnership. Now, there are two types of partnership: journal partnership and limited partnership. Let's start with the journal partnership. In a journal partnership, the liability of each partner is limited. It means that the firm's creditors can realize their dues in full from any of the partner by attaching their personal property if the firm's assets are found to be inadequate to pay off the debts. There is an exception that is made in case of the partner if the partner is a minor. Now, what happens in case of the minor? In case of the minor partner whose liability is limited to the amount of his share in the capital and profits of the firm. In India, all the partners of the firms are journal partnerships. Each partner of the journal partnership is entitled to take active part in the management of the firm unless otherwise decided by the partner of the other partners. Now comes limited partnership. Now in limited partnership, what is the limited partnership? It is a partnership consisting of some partners whose liability is limited to the amount of capital distributed by each. The personal property of a limit partner is not liable for the firm's debt. He cannot take part in the management of the firm. His retirement, insolvency, leniency, death does not cause dissolution of the firm. There is at least one partner that has the unlimited liabilities. A limited partnership must be registered. Now, limited partnership is not now allowed in India under the Limited Liability Partnership Act. In England, limited partnership can be formed under the Limited Partnership Act of 1907 and in USA under the Partnership Act of 1890. The chief characteristics of the limited partnership are: first, there must be at least one partner with the unlimited liability. The liability of the remaining partners is limited to their capital in the firm that they have invested in the firm up to that amount. Thus, a limited partnership consists of two types of partner. One is the journal partner and others are the limited partner. Now, the second characteristic is the limited partners cannot take part in the management of the firm. He has no employed authority to represent or bind the firm. However, he is allowed to inspect the books of accounts of the firm. Now, what happens here? The limited partner does not have any right to perform the management functions in the partnership. He can check or he can conduct or inspect the books of accounts but not the internal management of the firm. Third, limited or special partners cannot assign his shares to an outsider without the consent of the journal partner. Fourth, the limited partner cannot withdraw any part of his capital. And last, a limited partnership must be registered under the law. Now comes, what are the advantages of the limited partnership? First benefit is that it enables people to invest in a business without assuming unlimited risk and without devoting their time and attention in the management of business. Second, it permits the mobilization of larger financial resources from cautious and conservative investors. Third, it provides an opportunity to able and experienced persons to manage the business without any interference from the other partners. That is, the complete control and personal supervision help to ensure prompt decision and uniform actions. And last, it is more stable than journal partnership because it is not dissolved by the insolvency, retirement or death of the limited partner. But it has certain disadvantages. What are these disadvantages? Let's see. First of all, the limited partners are deprived of the right to manage. They remain at the mercy of the journal partners. These limited partners cannot participate in the management of the firm, and whatever the decision journal partner takes, they have to abide by that. Second, the general partners may misuse his power to exploit the limited partners. Now, all the power in the limited partnership lies with the general partner. So, here the general partner has the power to misuse his power, and he can exploit the limited partners. So, it is also a limitation, or we can say the disadvantage. And lastly, a limited partnership enjoys little credit standing as the liability of some partners is limited and it has to be registered. Now, there is one more type, partnership at will. Now, it is a partnership, it is formed when an infinite period, it is formed for an infinite period. The time period or the purpose of the firm is not mentioned when the firm was formed. It can continue for any length of time depending upon the will of the partners. It can be dissolved by any partner by giving a notice to the other partner of his desire to quit the firm. And last is a particular partnership. It is a partnership formed for a specific time period or to achieve a specified objective. It is automatically dissolved on the expiry of the specified period or on the completion of the specific purpose for which it was formed. These are the certain types of partnerships which are conducted or created in India. I hope the kinds of partnership topic is clear to you. For similar kind of videos, keep watching RPIIT Academics channel. That's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.